Purchasing electronic components often faces the problem of buying fake goods, which has unstable supply and affects normal planning. What should we do? Although there are many suppliers, the source of components is difficult to control. It is not easy to find a reliable supplier, and the supplier is more, and the quality is not good to control, which makes the purchasers very distressed. In fact, if we want to choose a high-quality supplier, we can start from these two aspects. The first point is to choose a supplier with a long operating time, which has more experience. It is less likely to cause problems for procurement and can solve some problems that procurement cannot think of. Another advantage of a supplier with a long operating time is that it has richer channel accumulation and more sufficient funds. Another one is to ask the supplier about this customer group. Suppliers with a rich customer group will have a stronger ability to solve problems. When purchasing electronic components, it's not only easy to buy fake goods, but also a significant challenge when they are out of stock. Even if you manage to find a replacement, the quality often fails to meet expectations. There are always unforeseen issues that are difficult to resolve, which is truly frustrating. Even worse, sometimes you place an order at a quoted price, only to find that the item is unavailable, and the delivery time becomes extremely unpredictable. How can we avoid such situations? Actually, finding a low-quality supplier and placing an order is like taking a gamble. You might face trouble at any moment, and the buyer could end up being held responsible for any mistakes. Therefore, it is crucial to find trustworthy supplier resources. We can judge the reliability of a supplier by observing certain surface phenomena. First, if you receive a quote that is below normal, you should be cautious. While cost reduction is important, suppliers offering unusually low prices should be approached with caution, as the cheapest options are often the most expensive. Second, if electronic materials that are usually hard to find suddenly become available from suppliers, this situation also requires caution. Additionally, be wary of suppliers who are willing to comply with unreasonable demands. Scammers are often very talkative. When the quality is uncertain, it's best to try a sample or a small batch purchase first. There are many things that a buyer needs to consider, such as whether the delivery time of goods is stable, how to control the quality while reducing costs, and how to coordinate the funds. This is not an easy job. When it comes to collecting payments, everyone is so domineering, and when asked for payment, they give all sorts of excuses. Every day, I'm approached by suppliers, production staff, the boss, the quality department, and the warehouse. Many procurement colleagues say they've lost their temper after being around for so long. There's always an endless stream of issues to deal with. So to be a good buyer, you have to not only be able to work under pressure and have good skills, but also have 3 heads and 6 arms. Prevention is always better than cure, and it's important to have a plan in place before you do your job well. Another is that the purchase price of electronic components is the most troublesome. Timely understanding of price changes is particularly important. It is best to know in advance which products may produce what changes. Zhongyuan Asia Electronics, one-stop BOM service, provides you with the fastest and latest market information, efficient quotation, fast delivery, to solve a series of procurement problems. No matter what happens, treat it with a calm mind. It's like the sky has sent 5 words. This isn't a problem. Wishing all friends in procurement positions smooth sailing in everything they do. I'm Nana. See you next time. Bye.